Good afternoon. Video message for Adrian. Adrian, hi. Well, thank you for buying my beautiful 122. I'm going to miss this girl. She's a thing of absolute beauty. Hope you love the saw. Before I pack her, I will run her one last time before I put her in the box. So not run since the video, whatever that was, perhaps a week ago, something like that. Always starts the same way: throttle lock, choke, kill switch, there, oh, lock, couple of primes, choke off. Hope they love the saw. She's such a beautiful running engine, and they're just so impossible to find in this type of condition. Just a real historical beauty. Thanks ever so much, and hope we deal again soon. Bye for now.